What's up guys, I'm Jeremy and thanks for checking in here at UTV Source. Today we're going to be talking about the Savage UTV Boxo belt change toolkit that includes everything you need to address on-trail belt damage, repair, and replacement. The Savage UTV Belt Change Toolkit has become the gold standard for on-trail repair and replacement of broken UTV drive belts. Something that many of us have probably dealt with at some point, and if you haven't, well, you probably will soon. To make a good thing truly great, Savage UTV has teamed up with BOXO Tools USA to provide the most capable, highest quality toolkit that is a must-have for owners of belt-driven UTVs like the Polaris RZR and the Can-Am X3. The Savage UTV Boxo Belt Change Toolkit comes in this very nice, UV-resistant, injection-molded case that's 100% waterproof and airproof, keeping the elements out while keeping your belts, tools, and parts protected inside. This ensures that when you need a fresh belt, it's in factory condition and ready to go, not cracked, dry rotted, or damaged in any other way. The included BOXO tools provide everything you'll need to get the job done quickly and easily, and are all backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Each kit also includes a very cool cutout in the foam to store your vehicle-specific OEM tool necessary for the task at hand, while this upper foam piece acts as a parts storage tray so you can stay organized and make sure none of your hardware goes missing. So let's take a little closer look and show you what the Savage UTV Boxo Belt Change Toolkit includes. The case itself is a very nice injection-molded, UV-resistant, 100% waterproof and airproof case featuring a very nice high-density foam pre-cut out for all the tools and accessories. The kit also comes with mounting hardware so it can be mounted to a roll cage or flat mounted anywhere in your UTV. Again, the tools in this kit are from BOXO Tools USA, and they include a very nice set of 11-inch needle nose pliers, a very nice foldable cutting tool with blades, a ratcheting driver with 8, 10, and 13 millimeter sockets, as well as a T30 and a T40 Torx bit. This upper foam tray acts as a very handy hardware and tool storage tray to keep all your stuff in one place as you're getting the job done, so nothing goes rolling down the trail and away from you. So there you have it, a true must-have item that will make the difference between ending your trail ride early or being able to keep the fun going all day long. The Savage UTV Boxo Belt Change Toolkit is readily available here at UTV Source, so go ahead and add one to your cart today. Thanks for watching guys, and remember, life's a ride, make it your own at utvsource.com.